students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, in this figure, angle BAC, this angle is equals to angle ADB. These two angles are equal, and BC length is given as 8 centimeter and AB length is given as 6 centimeter. They are asking us to prove that area of triangle ABC, this bigger triangle, divided by area of triangle ABD, this smaller triangle, is actually in ratio 16:9. So first of all, we'll write given data. Given data is angle BAC is equals to angle ADB. Next, BC length is given as 8 centimeter and AB length is given as 6 centimeter. Correct? Now, let's start our proof. Before starting the proof, let's observe these two triangles. Triangle ACB, ACB, correct? And another triangle is this smaller triangle, correct? So, triangle DAB. So, in these two triangles, see, BAC, angle BAC and angle BDA. These two angles in question are given as equal, means these two angles are equal angles, correct? Now, angle B in this bigger triangle and this smaller triangle, angle B is a common angle. So, this angle is a common angle. So, if two angles are same in two triangles, then those two triangles will be similar triangles. Similarly, so we'll write in triangle ACB and triangle DAB, these two triangles, angle BAC is equals to angle ADB. This is given in the question. This is the given data. And angle ABC is equals to angle DBA is equals to angle DBA, because they are common angles. So if two angles are similar, if two angles are equal, then triangle ACB is actually similar to triangle DAB through angle similarity criteria. Through angle similarity criteria. Now, if two triangles are similar according to theorem 6.6, if two triangles are similar, their ratio means area of triangle ABC, ACB and ABC is the same triangle, divided by area of triangle ABD, AB and D will actually be equals to square times the ratio of corresponding side. So, if I am talking about this angle, if I am seeing this angle are common, then their corresponding side will be BC and ABC. In this triangle, these are corresponding sides, these are corresponding sides, and these are corresponding sides, correct? So, BC and AB are corresponding sides. So, this will be equals to, in triangle ABC it's BC, and in triangle ABD it is AB. So this will be equals to the square of ratio of these two sides, and these two sides are actually given in the question. These two sides are actually given in the question. Sorry, this is AB, right? BC and AB. See, in given data, BC is given as 8 centimeter and AB is given as 6 centimeter. So this ratio will be equals to 8 centimeter by 6 centimeter the whole square, which is equals to 64 divided by 36, correct? And if we divide it in the table of 4, this is 4 9s are and 4 16s are. So this is equals to 16 by 9, which is our RHS in the question. Therefore, hence proved. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.